How do you feel when you walk into or look into your closet? Does it feel inspiring, exciting? Do you feel prepared to put together an outfit quickly and easily? Or is it feeling a little bit chaotic, disorganized, overwhelming, and you just kind of grab the first thing that you see? If it's the latter, I have some tips for you on how to make your closet feel like you're basically walking into a boutique and you're getting to shop for your outfit for the day. First is to organize your items based on the type of item they are. Polo shirts, tank tops, jean shorts, that kind of thing, and then fold them nicely. I use the Marie Kondo method and I think it looks pretty aesthetically pleasing. I like it. It works for me. If you have this space, add a couple little decor elements to your closet. It will make it feel much more intentional, a little less chaotic, and it breaks it up really nicely. And I don't ever light that candle, just so you know. For items you're going to hang, I recommend color coordinating. You can move from, black to white. Like, do whatever looks nice for you. I like to do like kind of a rainbow sort of situation, but I just find it looks so much nicer and cleaner, and it makes it so much easier to create an outfit in the morning. If I know I'm going to want, a burgundy top to go with whatever I'm wearing, makes it quick and easy. Instead of folding your jeans, have them hang. I like to put it so they're kind of mismatched in terms of the shade. You can do from lightest to darkest if that looks nicer for you, but this helps me differentiate. And see how I'm folding it with the leg side out, not the crotch side out? That makes it look much cleaner. It makes it look more like a boutique that you're getting to choose what you're going to wear. I also find it makes a really big difference to have matching hangers. Look how uniform this looks. Again, it looks intentional, it looks organized, and it just is more aesthetically pleasing. It's easier on the eyes. It looks less chaotic. And you'll also notice I tried to roughly space them out evenly, so about a finger's width in between each hanger. This lets you to be able to see the clothes that are hanging on it, so nothing's getting hidden away, and it looks nicer. I started actually getting these hangers, which are velvet, which makes it so that things don't fall off of them, and they're a little bit slimmer as well, so I am gonna change everything in my closet to these eventually. But look at the difference here with the mismatched ones. It's just not the same. Again, if you have the space, hang up your jewelry or the necklaces that you use day to day. It will help you when you're styling outfits, and it just looks nice. And then for earrings and rings that I use day to day, I like to throw them in a little dish like this to show them off. Follow for more and leave any organization tips you have in the comments.